Hey besties, it's Becca. In today's video, we are doing a protein treatment and it's like compared to Olaplex number 3. So we're gonna try it out. It is called the CER-100 protein. It's like probably one of the top reviews for protein treatments on Amazon and a lot of people have bought in it this month. So let's get into the video right now. I'm excited to try this today because you guys know I love doing a protein treatment on my hair, especially being a blonde. Everyone needs protein in their hair, and that's why we have hair on our head, because it's made out of protein. But of course, too much of a good thing is a very bad thing, okay? It can do more damage than good if you overuse it. I love doing K18 mask in my hair and everything, but of course K18 is very expensive. So I like to use alternative protein treatments for everyone that they can get their hands on. This one only costed me $9.99 at Winners. We are due for a bleaching soon. I am going to be trying probably another box dye because you guys have just been loving the box dye. Stay tuned for that video coming up soon. We like to be a bleach blonde Barbie, okay? And if you want ashy, white, beautiful hair, use my X Mondo code for 15% off Die Hard Barbie. I love the little character that they have on it. It's like very cutesy. You know, you pull it up and they're little eyeballs and it's just very creative and artsy and I love that. And it's fun, you know, it's not like boring packaging, okay? But this product is comparable to Olaplex number 3 and everyone wants to buy this because it's a dupe for Olaplex, and I'm not too sure about that, bestie, okay? I've never tried Olaplex products except their purple shampoo, and there's a lot of controversial when it comes to Olaplex because they have been in the hot seat. I've always steered clear from Olaplex. Protein treatment is very controversial as well because I feel like a lot of people don't know how to use protein treatments, and a lot of people end up overusing it and then it ends up snapping their hair. So in moderation, you're supposed to use protein treatment in your hair. I am a constant bleacher. You guys know I'm always trying stuff on my hair every single month. And I do use a protein treatment in my hair once or twice a month. That's it. I don't use shampoos that have it. I don't use conditioners. I don't use masks that have it. And if I do, it's only 1 or 2 times a month. And that is my ritual rule of keeping my hair on my head and healthy in my view. Okay, it might not be healthy for you, but it's healthy for me. With all the ingredients that you put on your hair every week, everything that you put on your hair, okay, it builds up. And then that's why people's hair go completely to zero and it just snaps off and looks frizzy. There's no life to it. It looks dead. It's just lifeless. So that's why you have to use protein treatments in moderation. And the only way to get rid of an overload of a protein treatment is either a really good clarifying shampoo or a bleach bath. I always use the bleach bath method to get rid of a protein overload because it basically strips everything out of your hair and you can start from like a solid canvas. It has collagen in it and I guess they get it from pigs to what I've heard. If you're vegan, you're not going to want to use this. It is a coating protein treatment and it's a viral Korean hair treatment in Korea. So everyone in Korea loves this product and I love using Korean products, just so you know, like skincare, okay? They have never aged a day in their life, okay? Like I love Korean products and that's why I'm so excited to try this because it is a Korean product and it's very big in Korea. By the way, I bought this with my own money and I can show you as well. Like there is the price tag. I don't even know if it's gonna show. This is the price tag for Winners or Marshalls or whatever, but yeah, I got it for $9.99. So I bought it with my own money. This is an honest review. No one is paying me. Like always, if I have to criticize it, I will, okay? It's a viral Korean hair mask designed specifically to repair and deeply condition dry, over-processed, and severely damaged hair. It's a deep conditioning hair treatment that goes into the hair cuticles and basically is a deep repair to put protein in your hair. You guys know this. I always talk about it. Protein is like the biggest thing that we need in our hair for it to stay on our head and thrive and live its best life. And I'm just your basic Joe as well. Like, I only need bleach and fry my hair every single month. It works as a deep conditioning treatment that repairs the hair cuticle and injects moisture and protein back into the brittle strands, helping to eliminate frizz, smooth down split ends, and give you a shine. It does have collagen in it and vegetable protein, which is soy, wheat, and corn. It helps to repair the patches of your hair shafts and just get right in there. This is the best for chemically treated hair. If you're a bleacher like me, or you like to use a lot of heat tools on your hair, just have over-processed hair, or you're trying to recover your hair from bleaching, this is a great way to kind of heal your hair and get that protein back in your hair that your hair needs. It says twice a week or once a week, which is just, I personally don't recommend that. But of course, you go off on your own on what the instructions say. But personally, no, I would never use this once a week or twice a week. I would do this after a hair processing, or you guys know, I already named it all. But I would only use this once or twice a month, not twice a week, okay? I don't want to have over-processed protein hair, okay? So we need to have shampoo thoroughly washed hair, and to remove all the buildup and oils in our hair and dirt. Then we are going to towel dry our hair and then apply the protein treatment in our hair. We're gonna let it sit for 5 to 20 minutes. We'll leave it on for 20, okay? Because, I mean, we are a bleacher in 20 minutes. Just, you know, might as well go. $9.99, okay? I gotta get my full every dollar in my head. Get one of those plastic bag hair, whatever you can grab. I've used a diaper bag, you know, to go over your head because it's like, it's right there. It's like, it's gonna go in the garbage anyways. Have my hair towel damp. We are ready to apply the protein in our hair. I don't know how much I'm gonna need, so I'm just gonna start applying. You guys know it has like a fragrancy smell. It's kind of like a Dollarama kind of smell, like a dollar store like perfume. You know, you guys know that kind of like old style perfume for girls that's like a body spray. It's very like floral. It's a cream based as well. And like I said, this is an honest review. I'm not getting paid, boo. So if I don't like the way this goes and my hair falls out, I'll let you know. Very easy to apply. This is like my second handful of product, but it seems like it like is easy to work through and you don't need that much, which is a great thing because for $9.99, hello, you can get multiple protein treatments for $9.99. I'm just spreading it evenly, trying to, all over my hair. I can already tell the difference just applying it and having the product in my hair. It feels very soft, like I have some rich, deep conditioner treatment in my hair. It feels very smooth and very glidey, like, you know that feeling, right, bestie? You know what I'm talking about. And I do like to make sure I get a good grasp on what this product is about and if it actually works, you know. Like I don't like when people don't use a product a lot because it makes me believe that they didn't really get the true effect of the product. So that's why I like to go over the top with adding products to my head. I know a lot of people hate it and they're like cringe, but really if I didn't use a lot of product, people would be like, well, she didn't use that much product. How do I know it really works, right? So I just like to go extra and put it in there. Of course, you probably wouldn't need that much. Probably just one little glob of it in your hand is good enough for you. I did about 3 pumps. You can put a plastic bag over your head. That is what it's recommended. Just let it sit for 20 minutes. It should be doing its thing. I like to add a little bit of heat to it because that's how you open up your hair follicles, is with heat. I'm gonna put a plastic bag on my head and then take the hair dryer and just go a little bit to get the heat going in there. And it should open up my hair follicles so that the protein can get right in there, bestie. But it doesn't recommend hair dryer, okay? But I have done so many protein treatments that I know that having a hair dryer is a must with a protein treatment. Are we supposed to rinse this out after we've applied it? So let it sit for 5 to 20 minutes, then pop a plastic cap on your hair and let it sit to trap the heat from your head. So that's why I'm using a hair dryer. You're gonna rinse with warm water or cool water. And okay, so that seals the deal. Okay, we need to actually rinse this product out, which I figured. I just can't believe, guys, how smooth my hair is. My hair just feels like $1,000,000. I wish my hair felt like this without product. We're just gonna put it on, just like that, like we're cooking up a meal. I think this bag had bleach in it, like dried bleach. A hair dryer that's hot pink at Value Village for $3.99. It's called Infinity Pro Conair hair dryer, and it's actually bomb diggity bomb. Okay, bestie, I recommend this hair dryer because it has a cool setting, so you don't have to put a bunch of hot on your hair, and then it goes really hot if you really want it hot. I'm gonna put it on the hot setting, bestie, only for about like 3 minutes, and let it cool down just to get the heat in there, because it's gonna take a while to even get the heat trapped from my scalp. So let's go. C18 sent me their newest product, which is their Triple Bright Purple Shampoo, and I tried it in my last video on completely bleached yellow hair, and I haven't seen anyone do that yet because it just came out, and a lot of people were using it on like dark blonde and like highlights, and no one has actually tried it on a full bleached head. So your girl had to go and try it, and it was delightful. So I'll link the video down below, and you can check out K18's new purple foam purple shampoo. Let's check out how my hair, it still feels kind of hot. Maybe we'll put the hair dryer on it a little bit more. This is just how I do protein treatments usually. And it does say that you can just put the hair cap on and not use heat, but it does want the heat in there because it's implying for you to use a hair cap to get your head scalp heat on there. I'll be back once 20 minutes is up. We can look at the results to see if it actually works. I'm starstruck. I love it so much. This is gotta be probably like number 1 or number 2 of my favorite protein product to use on my hair. And it's only $9.99. Okay, $9.99 from Winners? Hello? It literally transformed my hair, and I still have a ton in the bottle for like next month's protein treatment. My hair just feels so healthy. I highly recommend using this product and going out and buying it, but use it in moderation. Or if you want to follow the directions and do as you please. But I personally am going to be using it probably once a month. Definitely going to be in my ritual of hair products to use for protein because I can't get over it. It is amazing. There is so much movement in my hair, and usually my hair is just like stiff as a board. It came together honestly so perfect, and the timing is great, and it's only $9.99. I will link it down on my storefront if you guys can't find it anywhere and want to try it. I do highly recommend trying it because it left my hair feeling like like a Barbie, okay? I feel like a total Barbie with healthy hair. It does have all the directions and ingredients on the side of the box as well. If you like these kind of videos of experimenting with products and I give you my honest opinion if they actually work or not, hit subscribe, join the Bestie Club, because we're always trying something new on here. We're always deep diving and giving my raw final thoughts on things, and sometimes it doesn't work out. I just feel like it's very important to be 100% real because the hair market is so saturated with products, and we just have to like swim through, just keep swimming and see what works and what doesn't work, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.